the team today. Study at RGIT Australia, gateway to the skilled world.
Hi, I'm Chef Wendy and I'm here from RGIT Australia, and I'm about to make you a nice Thai coconut chicken and curry. And what I'm about to cook, I have the ingredients for my Thai coconut chicken and curry. First, I have my chicken that I've cut thinly in strips, and I've cut up capsicums and onions, and I'm about to fry them up together in some butter and sesame oil. My other ingredients I will follow through, as you'll see, is my curry, my yellow curry paste, my brown cooking sugar, and my cream. And then I have my desiccated coconut to follow through my sauce. So you're about to watch me make my beautiful sauce, as well as frying up my chicken, onion and capsicums to make this dish come together. I'm melting some butter and I'm mixing my butter and sesame oil in. So I've got this beautiful infusing flavour happening. And if you're a vegetarian, you can use all forms of snow peas, broccoli, carrots, julienne carrots. So here I go now. I'm about to do my chicken. I'll start with that first, because that takes a little bit of the longest to cook. Make sure when you're cooking, you have a nice pan that's nice oil proof, and it's not going to stick to your pan, because we don't want burnt chicken and we don't want the chicken to go too brown. And this is such a lovely dish. So I've turned up the volume of the heat a little bit. Give it a little bit of a wiggle. See how you can tell also when the chicken is cooking. If you can feel it being rubbery and it's not firming, you know it's still not cooked. And you can also see if your chicken is cooked or not. So this is 3/4 of the way cooked. And this Thai coconut chicken, it's a real crowd pleaser. Now I'm about to put in my onions and my capsicums. As I said, this is a very simple dish and a very tasty dish. Now, it won't be long before these are cooked. So you can sort of see how the chicken's almost cooked anyway. And now it's infusing with the flavours with the onion and the capsicum. This aside, I'm going to show you how to do my beautiful curry sauce. Now I've turned up the flame a bit more. This is the final stage of this being cooked. And as I said, this is a real crowd pleaser. Families love this. They love to gather around and eat this. And it's best to never overcook your chicken either. Otherwise it'll become dry. And because of the butter and the olive oil, and because I didn't let it go too brown, it stayed the nice white chicken. It hasn't gone brown, and that's what I don't want. See that? That looks really nice already. Now I'm about to push this aside, and I'm going to make the beautiful curry sauce. And then I'm going to bring it all together on a beautiful plate. Now it's done. Now to make my nice curry paste sauce. That's it. Done. Now I'm going to change my pans. Now I'm ready to make my beautiful sauce. And what you'll see as I'm cooking my sauce, what follows through. Now this is the most important part when you're making the sauce. Put your pan aside. Because we don't want to turn our butter brown and we don't want to burn our butter. So I start off with some curry powder. It's a very spicy dish. Now just mix it through. See how you can see the infusion? Look at that. Doesn't that look nice already? It's starting to form a lovely sauce. Now you'll see I'm going to add in my curry paste, 1 spoon. Again. And this is not a time-consuming dish. This is a pretty fast dish. So if you needed something in a real hurry, or you're on a time frame to cook, voila, you'll get this nice curry, Thai coconut chicken and curry in a hurry. Now that made sense, in a hurry. Now the next thing I'm doing, see how I've got all this? I'm going to pop in and pour in my cream. So for this dish you'll only need about a quarter, just over a quarter of a cup of cream. Now look at this beautiful curry coming together. Now I'm going to be bringing it back onto the heat, and I'm ready to bring all this together. What I am going to do, I'm going to put in 2 spoons of my desiccated coconut. And a 1/2 tablespoon of brown cooking sugar. Now we've got it done. Turn your stove down. And it's always good if you taste your cooking. Add a little bit more sugar and a little bit more coconut. pushing it to the side. Now I'm going to add the rest of my bit of cream. Now you've got this beautiful curry sauce. And I'm about to transfer my chicken and my capsicum and my onions into the sauce. As I said, this is a very quick recipe. Now I'm ready to transfer my chicken, onions and capsicums. Now look at that. That is a beautiful curry. And as I said, if you don't want to use meat, chicken, you can use all vegetarian. Ready to plate up my beautiful Thai coconut chicken and curry. Make sure you turn your gas off. Such a beautiful dish this. Is my nice coconut Thai chicken and curry. I would really love it if you all had a go at home. I made it so simple to do in the steps. Use all the ingredients and you'll come out with the same result. But it's all up to you. If you want it more spicy or more hotter, you can do it any way you like. You want to go vegetarian, go vegetarian. But this is like one of our poultry dishes at RGIT. Anyway, have a good afternoon, everybody, and thank you.
Speak with the team today. Study at RGIT Australia, Gateway to the Skilled World.